The 2018 Honda Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system, center armrest, premium sound, security system, power windows, power door locks, clock, CD player, side airbag, tachometer, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, center console, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.